My name is Tanya Toothman. I am from West Covina, California, and I run a construction company with my husband. So right now we've got the '89 Corvette here. The only modifications that we have made are the rear coilover and front coilovers. That's literally about it. This car was driven off the site in '89, parked in the backyard, and then I picked it up a year and a half ago. So it's really mainly all stock. It's pretty crazy. We're thinking about putting more money into it, possibly an LS engine, maybe take it out to autocross. When I was a young kid, probably around 5, 6, 7, I don't know, we started going to the Pomona drags with my dad. He's the one that taught me everything about cars. It was a passion of ours to go drag racing. Started going to Irwindale. I think we stopped in '08 because my brother passed away, so we got out of it for a long time until about a year and a half ago. I got back into racing. I met Kelly from Girl, which is a gorgeous Irwindale racing ladies, a cool club that empowers women to come out to the track. She had her hood up one day over at the shop, and I asked her what was in it, and she said, "You know, I've never had anybody come up to me and ask me about my engine." And then ever since that, we hit it off and started going to Irwindale racing and took this thing with me. But yeah. I want to give a shout out to my dad, Rich Boyd, who brought me into this world, and James CROSBY, who's done all of the car builds for us, and also Martin Charles. Those are our main guys for the auto world.